Good morning, folks. Hope you all are having a wonderful day out there. When we consider this chit-chat about generation gap, when this word generation gap is considered, they are talking about the change. For an example, a decade back, the prices of a commodity and the prices of the same commodity now, there is a change. This change should be measured and should be compared and should be analyzed, because this is what gives us a picture of future. How the changes are happening in the past, that gives an idea what change can happen in future. And this plays a very important role in commerce. Especially since the things have been converted from just commerce to e-commerce or mobile commerce, we have to be very updated about the changes, what is happening all around us. So, how to measure this change? Let's consider one of the simple thing what we have learned in our smaller classes, that is division of numbers. Let me take two numbers, 15 divided by 60 and 60 divided by 15. Now simply taking numbers would not make us understand better. So let's take this as something relative. Say this is 15 rupees is price of rice, one particular quality of rice around 10 years back. The same quality of rice today it would cost 60 rupees. So this is the rate of the one particular kind of rice 10 years back, and this is the same rice, but the price has been increased to 60 rupees. Here I am taking the same number but the reciprocal of the ratio here. Now if I convert this ratio into percentage, then it would come as 25%. And the same thing if I do the calculation here, the same calculation if I do here, I will get it as around 400%. Now it would not look as a big miracle what I did right on the board, but if you observe this phenomena closely, it is actually not just dividing the numbers. Mathematically we are not just dividing the numbers, but we are talking about the change. Say this 15 is actually 25% of 60. Obviously if I put 15 4 times, I will get 60. So it is 15 is 25% of 60, and this 60 is 400 percent of 15, because if I cut 16 into 4 pieces, that is 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, I'll get it as 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. So actually when we divide two numbers, it is not just dividing, but it is actually also giving us an idea how much change has happened between the numerator to denominator. So always numerator is compared to denominator, and here also numerator is compared to denominator. So if I want to compare two price or two quantity, I just have to divide the two numbers. This is the actual basics what we are using in this chapter called index number. So the entire index number chapter depends upon division of two numbers. So I welcome you all to this chapter called index number.